I've been in the business for almost 7 years. April is going to be 7 years. I've been doing social media for 6 years. So you talk to brokers and they post once or twice and they expect these magical things to happen. I hate to break it to you, but that's not how it works. It's about consistency. So it's the same thing as the old school brokers that sit down and make 50 phone calls every single day. And I do still do some cold calls, but I'll tell you, most of my cold calls aren't cold. They're warm now because people know who I am on social media.